HL-HBRF Hotel Door Lock Installation Guide. The first step is to install the lock body. Insert the lock body into the open lock body slot, according to the drawing and the door opening direction of the door lock. Remove the 3 screws on the side panel of the lock body. Then remove the side panel of the lock body. Insert the fixing screw into the fixing hole on the side of the lock body and tighten it. Reinstall the side panel of the lock body and tighten the panel fixing screws. Step 3. Install the front and rear panels of the lock. Insert the rotating shaft of the inner knob into the knob shaft hole of the lock body. Insert the handle shaft into the shaft hole of the lock body. Step 2. Install the lock cylinder. Insert the lock cylinder into the lock cylinder hole of the lock body. Note, the keyhole of the lock cylinder faces outwards. Insert the lock cylinder fixing screw and tighten it. Use the mechanical key and confirm whether the lock cylinder can work normally. Connect the cables of the rear panel with lock body power cable together. Connect the cables of the front panel with lock body PCB cable together. Insert the handle shaft into the handle hole on the front panel of the lock. Insert the handle shaft and knob shaft on the lock body into the corresponding shaft holes on the rear panel of the lock body. Confirm handle and interior knobs are functioning properly. Take out the fixing screws of the front and rear panels of the lock. Insert the fixing screws of the front panel from the screw holes of the rear panel. Align them with the extended nut screws and tighten them. Step 4. Install the battery. Take out 4 new 1.5 volts batteries and insert them into the battery slot, paying attention to the positive and negative poles. Then, install the battery cover. Finally, test the lock function to ensure everything is working properly. Now, you have successfully completed the hotel lock installation.